On this short tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not sending SMS text code easily and fast. All what you have to do, guys, is open the settings on your phone and now go to the wireless and networks and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again like this. Go back, open the apps on your phone, open the apps manager like this, click on Instagram, and now all what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this option here and then click on the permissions. Make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back again, and now last thing you want to do is click on storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.